Hey there, this is Sam here, and in this video I'm going to show you some cool things that we are working with. I'm super excited about all of this that we are working now for our GHL SaasKits community, for our GHL Code Snippet premium members. Okay, so you can see here in this page we have a different type of navigation bar. Okay, so this is actually an mega menu navigation. Okay, you can see here now in your GoHighLevel you can add fully customized mega menu in your page. You can see here, and it's fully responsive also for mobile. Let me show you. You can see this is fully responsive for mobile, and you can use it with your fully customization. You can change the color, you can do anything. Okay, you can add your own logo, and you can do literally anything. Okay, so but by default it will come with this dark color with the white font. Okay, and you can also add icon and everything. Okay, so we will make a detailed video how you can implement this code snippet into your GoHighLevel. Okay, so this is the first thing, and then the second thing is you can see here this is some kind of animated border. Okay, so to give your page a cool effect, you can use this type of border gradient animation. Okay, so we are also working with this, and we are going to release this code snippet. Let me show you another thing. Okay, so now inside your GoHighLevel it actually not have the nested column. Like if you add one column, let me show you real quick. I think if we add a column, let me add another one. Click here, open two column row, and like this, if we added a two column row, and inside this column if I want to add another two column, there is actually not possible by default into GoHighLevel. Okay, and now you can see here inside the column we added two different images, so this is actually two column. Here is three different images. This is actually three column, and again here is actually a four column grid, right? Like this is your image, your text, your image, and again the text. Okay, so now with this code snippet you will able to make a nested column into your GoHighLevel. Okay, so this is some kind of card actually. Okay, we have a cool shadow and everything. Okay, so this is also coming very soon for our users. Okay, this code snippet. And also one more thing I want to show you, this type of scrolling animation you may saw a lot of time to different website. Okay, so you can actually with this code snippet you can scroll your text, you can scroll images. Okay, like your testimonials or whatever. Okay, your features image or whatever you want to actually scroll this horizontally. Okay, so you can also do this, and then you can see here the animation of this image. You can see once I scroll up it get an animation, and then again for this one you can see if I scroll down it goes just little bit blurry. Okay, and then if I go above, and then it's again. Okay, so coming with the animation, so we can also add this type animation. And also one more thing you can see here, once I scroll this page, then it's actually showing a scroll bar at the top. You can see here the progress bar here. Okay, you can see once I scrolling, keep scrolling, and then you may see this type of things also for some website. Okay, so actually these little things can make a big difference on your website to make professional looking and very good. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you here, the navigation I mean the effect of image. Okay, you can see, and now you can add this type of animation. Okay, in your GoHighLevel with this code snippet. You can see we can change the direction of the cards. Okay, you can see once we scroll and then we scroll up, all those is going down. Okay, you can see here is going height, Okay, this way. And if we scroll up again, you can see here this type of cool animation is coming very soon into our GHL Code Snippet library. Okay, so I'm very excited to release all of those actually. And the thing is, we are working with a lot of different code snippet. We are researching a lot of things. That's why sometimes it's a little bit a delay to release the code snippet. And also we need to make the video training, and we are also testing all the code snippet lots of time before release it for our users. Okay, so that's the reason sometimes it's maybe a delay to release the code snippet. Okay, so we are getting a lot of email from our user that we need this code snippet. That's totally fine. We are excited, we are committed to give you this type of things. Okay, the unique things that GoHighLevel actually missing, and other platform have this type of animation, this type of cool effect for their page builder. Okay, but GoHighLevel doesn't have this, so there's a reason we are working to make all those type of things to make your page, make your funnel awesome. Okay, so and lastly, one more thing I am going to show you. This is very unique and very good. Okay, so let me show you. You can see here into this page builder I have a button. This is an orange button that's actually turn privacy mode on. Okay, so let me save the page. I'm going to delete this and save the page. Okay, so let me click here, turn privacy mode on. Okay, so I just turned on privacy mode, and let me go back to the GoHighLevel dashboard, and you will see something different. Okay, you can see here my funnel name and the funnel steps all are hidden now. Okay, you cannot see this, the funnel address and these things. Okay, so because of this code snippet you can actually hide the sensitive information. Let me go to the contacts. Okay, so as it's already hidden, you will not see any of the contacts. Okay, so this is another code snippet that we are going to release for our users. Okay, if I go to the sites, okay, then you'll see these are hidden. And if we go to the reputation, then it will be also hidden the email addresses. Okay, let me show the request. Okay, so you can see all the sensitive information are now hidden. Okay, so if I want to show this, then all you just need to click this button to show it. Okay, you can see here by clicking this button we can hide the sensitive information from our dashboard. Okay, so this is another code snippet that is also coming very soon. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also join our GHL Code Snippet community. Okay, which is completely free. We have over 750 members already, and all those members are very cool, and they are interacting with us. They are suggesting new features. We are also posting new features. We are releasing a new code snippets. Okay, so we are working hard to make GoHighLevel a lot more cool. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.